Hey guys, this is Anis Tariq. Welcome back to another video, and today as you can see I'm going to unboxing Canon EOS M50. This is the Mark II version. This is successor for M50. So last year Canon released this, so I'm unboxing today. So as you can see, here's the photo about this product, Canon EOS M50. Then this kit lens, and it support 4K with 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, and it's also comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, so you can transfer your photo easily on your phone. So here's the some informations, and this model has two color, one is white and another one is black, but this unit is black. And here's nothing, so I'm unboxing, and here's the main part, and an electric cable with UK standard plug. So with the long cable, very good quality. Then battery charger, and you can charge one battery, and with two lead indicator, one for charging and another one for full indicator. When your battery fully charged, then this blow off. Then battery itself, this is the LPE12 battery, which is 7.2 volt and 875 milliampere. Then a strip for carrying this camera, and it's very good quality, and you can easily mount your camera with this strip. So, and last thing is lens itself. It is kit lens, 15 millimeter to 45 millimeter STM lens. So you can lock this lens by using this switch. And final is this camera itself, small and compact size. Is possible by mirrorless camera. So as you can see, very little, very cute camera. So I'm previously used a DSLR, which is the big and very bulky type, but for the first time I'm using mirrorless camera. This is very compact and very small, and very handy, and very easy to use, and very light. But my first impression is I'm very satisfied with this camera because of very compact size and lightweight. First of all, I'm showing this side. This is the US branding, and this mount lock button. So this is the focus light. Here's the Canon branding, and this upside mount here, so you can mount light, microphone, anything. Then this flashlight for night shooting. But previously I'm using a DSLR. When I'm using DSLR in nighttime auto mode, when I press the shutter button, automatically pop up flash, but this is not going to happen. This model, you need to manually pop up. I don't like this. This is the shutter button with dial, and another buttons with a record button also here. And here's the some mode dial, and here's the video mode, some scene mode, and lots of customized mode, and on off button here. And here is the two button. It's zoom in out, and here's the info buttons, and lots of button here, media button. And in this bottom side, mount for your mounting camera, and battery compartment. So first of all, I'm mounting camera with lens. So very carefully open this, and open this cap. Check this white mark for mounting this. As you can see, here is the also white mark. Then attach this, and just rotate, and it's attached. Then you have to unlock this lens by push up, then just rotate the lens so you can move around. So then I have to attach battery. So before you use your camera, charge your battery full, and use a good quality memory card for better result, better performance. So right now I'm using SanDisk Extreme, which is 45 mbs. Here's the camera. Right now I'm using on. Flip up the camera display and open the. So this is the first operation and home screen. So you can rotate this 170 degree and you can use like that. This is very good options. So you need to shoot low angle or high angle, so you can rotate this display. So this display is TFT display and 3-inch display. And here's the viewfinder, digital viewfinder. So when you look the eye, automatically display turn it off and viewfinder turning on. This sensor is CMOS sensor, 24 megapixel. You can shoot up to 4K video, and you can shoot 720p resolution with and 120 frame per second. I forgot to mention this. And here's the microphone input. So you can use external microphone, which is the good for vlogging. So but I tested out this microphone, built-in microphone, which is also good. And here's the HDMI port with USB mini, so you can transfer data directly from here. And here's the Wi-Fi button. When you connect your mobile phone directly from here, just press the button and you will able to connect mobile phone to transfer your media. So if you want to know how to transfer these mobile apps, so I will show you how. So let me know in comments if you need. I hope this video is going to helpful for buying this. If you like to this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and I will provide Amazon link for buying, so you can check my descriptions to buy this camera. So see you next.